their lands. A successful example of NRT is the establishment and management of conservancies, such as the Wildlife Conservancy, which has effectively protected large predators like lions and leopards on the vast savanna plains. Rich tapestry of the savanna ecosystem. These creatures are not only symbols of strength and wild beauty, but also witnesses to the invisible connection that binds us, humanity and nature, together. Let us commit to protecting the wild beauty of our world. For every small action we take, every effort we make for the environment is part of our legacy for future generations. By protecting the great migrations of zebras, stopping illegal hunting, and safeguarding natural habitats, we are creating a more sustainable future for both humans and animals.
Oh, cool.
Every step is a life or death battle. The adult wildebeests, weighing up to 270 kilograms, must not only overcome hunger and thirst, but also face lurking predators, crocodiles waiting beneath the water, lion prides hiding in the tall grass, and countless unforeseen dangers. In the murky water, like a shroud of death, over 5-meter-long Nile crocodiles with razor-sharp teeth lurk in the darkness beneath the surface.
Oh, cool.
They are still, like shadows, surrounding their prey from below the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike with deadly speed.
It does have tusks.
They cannot escape the deadly grip of the Nile crocodile. Fear, like a shadow, constantly follows, and the desperate will to live has never been stronger, pushing these creatures into a relentless struggle between life and death.
No female.
And in that moment, when the wildebeest seems to have escaped the crocodile's attack, another threat lies in wait on the shore. Thought it had escaped the relentless chase of the lions, a pale golden figure suddenly burst out. It was a cheetah, the fastest predator in the world. Each step across the Greti River is a confrontation with fate, where the right decision can lead to life, but a mistake can lead to death. Yet the zebras remain undeterred, continuing forward, knowing that ahead lies hope and life in the promised land. where every effort will be rewarded. The river is not only a natural challenge, but also hides deadly traps beneath its murky waters. The lead buffalo, with its sharp senses and vast experience, stands still at the riverbank, its eyes never leaving the movement of the water. The powerful buffalo, as sturdy as rocks, also listens to the wind and feels the currents beneath their feet.
Still sleeping.
Are you wondering how these buffalo can possibly defeat the crocodiles lurking beneath the water's surface? Everything seems to be waiting for a single signal from nature to decide the fate of the herd. As the buffalo move across the river, they do not rush, nor do they gamble with fate. They are patient, each step steady, and carefully calculating every potential risk. They know that in this life or death battle, strength alone does not determine the victor.
Calling for his baby.
Staying calm is just as important, as it ensures that the prey has no chance to fight back. Each pounce by the lion is executed with absolute precision, enveloped in silence, as if time stands still, all controlled by a moment of intense, almost suffocating tension. In nature, the survival journey is endless. Every step in the wildlife is an ongoing battle, where only the strongest can survive. Only those who know how to adapt can rise from adversity, overcoming challenges to maintain their position in the food chain. Danger as smaller animals, young or weak elephants can still get lost in the swirling waters or become exhausted after the long journey, making them easy prey for predators.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.